Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new pressure washer. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Alright, and here it is. Check it out. So let's go ahead and actually fully set it up so we can take it outside and actually try it out. The installation process was very simple, took probably less than 10 minutes. You won't need any tools. I did end up using my electric screwdriver, but you can definitely just use a traditional screwdriver. It's literally just 5 screws total and you'll have it up and running in no time. This pressure washer does have some power with a maximum pressure of 4,300 PSI and a water flow rate of 2.8 gallons per minute. That gives it the cleaning power you need for everything from driveways and decks to cars and outdoor equipment. It features an adjustable pressure nozzle and comes with 4 Quick-Connect spray tips. That means you can switch between light, medium, or heavy duty cleaning depending on the job. It's also equipped with a total stop system which automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger isn't engaged. This helps save energy and extend the life of the pump, rated for up to 10,000 uses. And when it does need to move, the wheeled upright trolley makes it easy to roll up from spot to spot. Alright, so as you can see, it's already all hooked up. I went ahead and put one of the adapters on there, and very simple to turn on. All we're gonna do is turn this right here. We're ready to go. So we'll go ahead and clean this area right over here. Ready? And the other thing is, if you wanted to adjust these pressure nozzles, literally just push that down. We'll put it back where we grabbed it. We'll grab this new one right here, push this piece down, put it on there, turn it back on, and we're good to go. You can see, this one keeps it a lot different than that other one. Very simple to use. So I'm just gonna quickly go through all 4 options just so you can see it. So we'll try this one first. Swap it out. Let's do this one. All right. This orange one. Not bad. And then my favorite one. So you can see all of them very useful for whatever project that you need. And what I also did like, it also comes with these accessories right here. So this one right here is if you don't have like a hose that you want to hook it up to, you just want to like hook it up to like a bucket, this will allow you to do that. We can swap this out and put one of these on there, and you could use this to put like a little bit of soap and then wash your car with it, or if you want to use it to wash your windows, you can also do that. So you can see this power washer is very handy to have. So if you guys are looking for a new pressure washer, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.